Filipino OG girl group is back on the dance floor with Sex Bomb releasing their comeback teaser. Sam Martos tells us more.
Let's step into the world of entertainment for our showbiz news. Get ready to do a get out because the original Filipino girl group Sex Bomb will be back this coming December for their concert. The original and iconic girl group Sex Bomb is making a comeback for a reunion concert. In an Instagram Reels posted by dancer and actress Rochelle Pangilinan, she shared the teaser of the group's return to the big stage. It will be recalled that the group first became known in 1999 under the name Chicken Sandwich Dancers, consisting of 4 members led by Rochelle Pangilinan, Cheche, Debra, and Janine, who later became Sex Bomb dancers on the noontime show It Bulaga. Some of their most popular songs are the song Spaghetti, Halo Kay Ube, Bakit Papa, and many more. Meanwhile, the reunion concert of Sex Bomb will be held on December 4 at the Araneta Coliseum. As of now, ticket prices for the concert have not yet been announced. And that's our entertainment news. Once again, I'm Sam Martos. Back to you, Krisa and Alvin.